Supreme Court Bar Association President Vikas Singh said on Monday outgoing CJI Dipak Misra was a victim of certain circumstances and it was used by some lawyers to the detriment of the institution. Speaking at a farewell function organised by the SCBA for the Chief Justice of India, Mr. Singh said, "It was unfortunate that Justice Misra became a victim of certain circumstances. It is more unfortunate that instead of the bar, especially the mature bar trying to support the cause of justice, trying to support the institution, some of us tried to use that adverse circumstance to the detriment of this institution," he said. Mr. Singh said if the situation had been allowed to continue and if the bar had not stepped in to support Dipak Misra, an irreparable damage would have been caused to the institution. On an earlier controversy over cases related to the Medical Council of India and some medical colleges, in which Mr. Singh was one of the counsels, he said the purpose of the open letter written by him as SCBA president was not to support CJI Misra, but to bring the truth before the nation and ensure the majesty of the Supreme Court was not eroded. There was an allegation doing the rounds. Papers were also carrying it with regard to a particular matter. I was the president of the bar, but also counsel for the MCI against whom that order was supposed to be sought to be obtained, the SCBA chief said. Mr. Singh said these allegations were made by different people, some in very high positions, but nobody took his view because ultimately an order was to be passed. It was to be passed against my client, he said. An order dictated in an open court was said to be changed later on at the behest of some people. When similar orders had been passed in 8 different matters, the very same day, a 3-judge bench review could have been done only by the 3 judges together. It was also doubted whether the order was dictated in an open court or not, and that was also part of the allegations, he said in the presence of Misra and CJI designate Ranjan Gogoi. Mr. Singh said as counsel for the MCI and not as the president of the bar, he felt that it was his duty to see to it that this institution was not damaged. He said, as the counsel for the MCI, I thought it fit to write an open letter to all the judges and also to the media bringing out